Hey guys, so I got a little inspired today to make some videos. So here goes another one. I want to thank all the nice comments that I got on that first video. There's a lot of good feedback there, so I really appreciate the encouragement. It definitely motivates me to never quit and to just keep going. I know it's not easy. It's not easy, but if you're persistent it definitely will pay off, right? So I kind of want to show you guys where to find leads um, or new owner operators, right? So just good little useful information to have. So I'll start with owner operators. Where do you find owner operators, right? So I have this link here. Give me, yep, this is it. So I'll post it in the description, right? The link so that you guys can use this tool in case it's helpful to you. So once you're in the website, you're gonna go click on I believe it's let's see, right here, and click. So basically, this every day it comes out with a report of the new guys that just got their authority, right? And I actually seen this off of a video in YouTube. I just don't recall the channel, so I don't want to take credit for this, right? I seen this on a video on YouTube, and I tried it, and it's a great method, right? So basically, what you want to do is you're gonna click on any of these, and it's gonna download like a PDF file, right? So once you get that open, give me a second. I'm not sure if YouTube's gonna take my video down for smoking a cigarette, but we'll see. We'll find out. All right. So now, once you're in the file, you're gonna want to scroll all the way down to where the numbers start running consecutive. Or so I'll show you what I mean here. Okay. So, all right. Like this, for example, you see 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So, but these are freight forwarders. So, if you're looking for owner operators, then these will be it, the ones with the MC, right? So let's go all the way down to where the MC start running consecutive. Let's see, 44. Okay, right here. 13, 14, 15, 16, the last two digits, right? 17, 18. These are guys that just got an authority, and it doesn't necessarily mean that they're just they're brand new. They probably have already another company or whatever, right? But obviously, by the MC, you can tell that they just got the authority, and these guys are hungry, man. They're hungry because they had to pay insurance, they had to buy a trailer, they had to spend all their savings on the tractor trailer or whatever, right? So these guys just want to start hauling freight, and a lot of the big companies won't use them because you got to have at least I believe it's 3 or 6 months already operating. So they're cheap. You can use them and abuse them until they start learning the pricing, right? And I don't want to say that you'll be taking advantage of them or anything like that, right? They're just hungry to start moving that freight because they got a lot of bills to pay for the insurance, their tractor trailer, their whatever it is, right? So this is a good little tool to get these guys set up with you and establish your carrier network base. So you just give them a call. The phone number is there, their name, company name, and just ask what type of equipment they have, what lanes they'll be running, and very good method to find some trucks, right? So now shippers. Where do I find shippers? Uh, it's pretty simple. I mean, there's Google has pretty much everything, right? So um, I don't know. It just depends on what kind of leads you're looking for, right? But for example, if you want to start moving a freight a little faster than maybe produce or let's see here, you can go to the terminal markets, right? So I don't know. Let's try this one here. So this is Houston Terminal Market, right? That's where all the produce comes in and goes out. So let's see here. All right, these are all guys that uh for example, I call this one right here. She let's see here. You click on it and give you the phone number. I actually called this one and she asked me for a quote for 10 pallets. I'm not sure if it's her, right? Obviously, but so show you some more here. McAllen Terminal Market. So you just Google the terminal markets from wherever, right? So look at this. See, McAllen Produce Terminal Market. So these guys have tomato and cilantro, limes, name of the company, phone number, even the email. All right. So you got the email, and you just kind of want to give them a call, see if it's the right season, right? So these guys will, if it's the right season for the produce, they'll have a bunch of freight. They'll need a bunch of trucks. So it's a good way to start finding some shippers like that, right? So see, these are all leads right here. A bunch of leads, right? So what else do I do? I'll go ahead and I'll go to Google Maps. And I'll put it on satellite view. I'll show you what I mean right now. And I'll zoom in. I'm located in I'm in Tijuana right here. This is where I live right here. Right. So for example, I know there's a lot of things shipping through TJ, right? So all right, this is a Mexican side. So this is, see all this right here. I'll just look to see where they have let's see, like the industrial parks, right? Like warehouses and things like that. So look, Boo Foods, that's a good one to call right there. You know it's a big ass warehouse, right? They obviously have to ship stuff from there, so and then I kind of just go like that, yeah. So ready mix, right? These guys like ready mix there, and of course they gotta ship that shit out, right? So call them. Clothing. See, these are all potential customers that you can call. And if you zoom in a little bit more, you'll see that they have a loading dock there. There's a couple of dry vans or whatever that is. Right, some docks. So you can find leads like that, right? And let's see here. Well, I'll make this video short. I'm gonna end it there, but just I want to show you guys a little quick way of finding leads and trucks. And I'm gonna show you guys this really cool website where you guys can get set up to move your LTL freight. It gives you rates, it gives you the truck. So definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys a really cool website, like I said, and it's definitely gonna help you guys out move any LTL out of anywhere. So I'll end it there, and let's get the freight moving, guys.